Hey guys, it's Sharon, and today we are doing something I have never done before on my channel, and that is a makeup swap. I am so excited. I have a friend who's not on YouTube. She just loves makeup. She lives in Colorado, and we decided that this Christmas we are doing a holiday makeup exchange. We were just filling a box with things that we like or want them to try, or each other to try, and we're mailing them out. So I need to get mine in the mail today. She mailed hers yesterday, so I gotta get this to her so she can start playing with these goodies. And I thought I'd show you what I'm sending her, and then once I get her package, I will film the rest of this and show you what she sent to me. A lot of the fun of this too is that her and I are very different, like complexion wise. She is beautifully tan with dark hair, and I am white as white can be with sort of blonde hair. And I have pretty clear skin. She tends to have some trouble with skin and some sensitivity. So it was really fun trying to think of things that she might like that might also be out of her comfort zone. So I'm really excited to see what she picked for me. But let's just dive into this box. I have a whole box filled with goodies. I honestly didn't, I should have set a budget for myself, but I didn't. I just started throwing things in, and I took advantage of the Ulta sales when they had stuff really cheap. So some of the things in here I've tried before, some of them I haven't. I just thought they looked like something fun that she might like to try. So let's dive on in. The first thing I included was one of my favorite makeup sponges from Amazon. These are the Paw sponges that have like this flat side. I really like that for applying foundation. She is like a diehard Beauty Blender only kind of fan, so I wanted her to try one of these. I think they're awesome. Next is a blush that I also bought for myself, and I have since tried. I don't know that I have a good impression of it yet, but it is really pretty. It's from J-Cat, and it's this beautiful deep pink I thought would look really good on her skin. It's like a cream blush shade. It says to apply it with your fingertips and blend with a brush. It does have a really interesting texture. It's almost like a cream to powder kind of thing. Like I said, I've only used it like once, so I don't know that I have a good opinion on it yet, but I didn't hate it, and I thought the color was really pretty. All right, next up is from LA Girl. It is this Velvet Bronze Stick. I hope I got her a shade dark enough. I guess we'll find out. They had a couple of shades. This is their Bronzer Contour Stick. I think I got her the medium shade. There were 3, I believe, and I got her the one in the middle, so hopefully it's dark enough. We'll see. I haven't tried that yet. All right, this is something that I have tried and I'm wearing today, although I don't think you're gonna be able to tell because I didn't pop my contacts in. But it is this Essence Glitter Eyeliner. This is so pretty. I love popping it just like on the inner corner of my eyes, and maybe bringing it up a tiny bit on the lid. It just adds a little bit of sparkle that is really pretty, and this is so affordable. I love this, so I hope she likes it too. Also from Essence is my favorite brown eyeliner. This is a pencil liner. It's an espresso, and it is so rich brown. I've talked about it before if you've watched any of my videos. This is an excellent eyeliner. It's super smooth, creamy, glides right on, and is such a rich, pretty brown that I thought she'd really enjoy. We're on a roll with the Essence products because I have 2 more. It's some lip glosses. I pulled her the shade Power of Nude. Just a really pretty nude color, and then also a clear. These are some of my favorite glosses. I'm wearing one today over a lip liner. I think these are like top tier, excellent glosses. They smooth out any line on your lip. They look so shiny. They are not sticky. They're just so good, and they're so affordable. They're like a couple of dollars. They're so beautiful. I hope she loves them. Next up is a mascara favorite that I had this last year. It is the Maybelline Falsies Surreal. I have loved this mascara. It has been one of my favorites that I reach for over and over. I actually don't have one open right now. This was my backup that I had for myself that I am gifting to her because I want her to try it. I think it's so, so good, and I hope she really loves it. All right, 2 more items. I do have this on my lids today, but again, I don't think you're gonna really be able to see because I've got my glasses on. But it is from Ofra. It is the Mini Mix palette, the versatile refillable palette. I guess this was by a creator, although I'm not familiar with who she is. Rhonda? I don't know. but this is super pretty. It's mostly matte shades up here with one shimmer, and then you get a blush, bronzer, and highlight. I actually got this for myself as well, so I'm wearing the blush and the highlight and the bronzer today as well, which I feel like they look pretty good. This is the first time I've tried it, and so far I like it. But I thought these tones all looked like things that might look really nice on her skin. And that pop, that shimmer's really pretty. I just did an all matte look today, but the blush has, I mean, that blush is blushing. It's good. The bronzer's a little bit deep for me. I had to be very light-handed, but I think it's gonna look great on her, and I got this on a pretty good deal during a Black Friday sale. And last, I wasn't planning to get this for her, but when it went on sale super cheap, I had to. It is the Ulta Beauty Everyday Faves. I have had this palette for years. I have it in the old packaging. This is the updated packaging since they did their rebrand of Ulta Beauty. But this is one of my very favorite eyeshadow palettes. I really think she'll like it. I think it's got a lot of wearable tones for her, both mattes and shimmers that are just really, really pretty. This is one that I reach for over and over and over. If you haven't tried this yet, definitely pick it up next time it's on sale. All right, that is everything that I've got in her box. Let me know if you've tried any of those things, if any of them are your favorites. And let me know if you've ever done anything like this. It's super, super fun. I cannot wait to get my box. I'm gonna get this to the post office next, and I'm hoping that in about a week, I'll have my box, and we'll follow up on this video. All right, everyone, it is weeks later from when I last filmed the video of what I sent my friend for Christmas. I received the box from her. It's got some really fun goodies inside. I opened it on Christmas Day. I'll show you what I got in the box, and then we will try it all on. I already have the rest of my face makeup on that wasn't included in the box because it's not obviously a full face. So we're just gonna play with what was sent. So let's see what she gave me. This was super fun, by the way. I highly recommend if you have friends that like makeup, or you do have like a long distance friend, try this. Like the mailing of the package, the opening it up and not knowing what's inside was like super, super fun. So highly recommend. Let's dive in. First is a mascara. She sent me the It Lash Blowout mascara. I have used this before and liked it. So I'm excited to have this one again. It is a more expensive mascara that I don't typically buy. Like I said, I do remember liking this, so I'm excited to have that. She sent me a non-makeup item. She sent me a really cute Disney bauble bar necklace. It's just a rhinestone Mickey. It keeps flipping over. There you go. Super, super cute. Love that. It's like dainty and gold. We both have a love for Disney, so that was really sweet. Then let's see, what else? Okay, I'm really excited about this. I've never tried this before and always wanted to. It is the Pixi by Petra On the Glow blush. It's the tinted moisture stick blush. She sent me the shade Fleur. So it looks like a good like baby pink kind of color. Then she sent me a CoverGirl lash primer, which was perfect because I just ran out of mine and included it in my last empties, so I needed a restock, so thank you, Anna, for that. She knows I love it. She sent me a cute little gingerbread keychain with just a clear gloss in it. It's just adorable for some Christmas accessorizing. She also sent me a miniature Natasha Denona palette. This is the mini Starlit palette. It looks really quite nice. I have not tried any of the mini palettes before. So I'm excited to do an eye look with that today. And then lastly, she sent me this duo of miniature Pat McGrath lipsticks. Looks like, it just says limited release iconic hues. What's in here? Elson and Fever Dream. Can't quite tell on the back what the shades are. Well, it looks like one is definitely a red and another is maybe a nude or another red. I can't really tell. So we're gonna have fun playing with those. So let's go ahead and test out these products. We're gonna start with the Natasha Denona palette. I don't typically do eyeshadow first. If you've watched my channel, you know that, but in this case, I wanted to be all ready just so we could get going on the video. So, all right, I'm first going to go in with the middle peach shade as a good blender. I do already have eyeshadow primer on. I used the Ulta matte primer. I got my MAC 217 and I'm gonna go in with the brownishy shade here. Kind of in the outer V, blend it up into the crease for some added dimension. This one looks like it has quite a bit of sparkle, so I think I'm gonna use my finger to apply. All right, let's see. Oh yeah. Natasha Denona knows what she's doing. All right, so I'd first like to point out that I only see the tiniest bit of fallout under my eyes, which you probably can't even detect. It's so minimal. So, all right, I'm going to pop on some liner and then we'll do the mascara. I do always think that the packaging on this is very cute. I remember really liking the wand on this. It's a natural bristle wand. All right, so there's one coat. So you can see the difference between no mascara and mascara with one coat. I wanna see how it builds, of course, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and then we'll see if we can build it up a little bit more. Right now it's just giving a really nice, like, fluttery, natural lash. It's looking great, just like I remember. Didn't have any transfer onto the lids. It was very easy to apply. It's definitely not like a super wet mascara, but it's also not too dry, so I feel like it's really, really nice. I've always wanted to try one of these, like I said. I'm not sure if this is actually the color blush I would pick with this particular eye look, but it's the shade that I have, so that's what we're going with. What do we all think the best way to apply this is? Does it tell me? Twist the base to wind up, swipe gently onto skin, and blend with fingertips. Well, I'll probably blend with a brush. I think, let's try just applying with a brush straight into the product first. This is a really nice, like, natural pinky shade. All right, that's kind of a lot, so we'll see. Wish me luck. Oh, that's really, really subtle. Okay. I could probably swipe it right onto the skin. Let's try that. I did kind of a thick stripe, like a lot of blush these days. It looks very glowy to me, which I like, which I think is what it says. Yeah, it does say on the glow, but it doesn't have shimmer in it, so that's really nice. It's very subtle. Like I said, I think it's showing up better on my camera than it is in real life. Like, honestly, in my mirror, I can't really see it very well. I think that's just simply the shade. But I think you could probably build it or layer it with like a powder blush, but so far I'm liking it. I have never had a full-size Pat McGrath, but the minis are really cute. Okay, so we have Fever Dream, which is like a deep red, and Elson, which is a deeper red. Altogether, I don't think that these are colors that I would pair with this eye and blush, but you know what? We're going with it because I wanted to test everything out. So I think we're gonna use the not as deep red, the slightly lighter red. Let's see how this goes. Well, I'm not sure how I did that to the Cupid's bow. It looks like, I look like Winifred Sanderson with that pointy bow. That was just my fault for application. It just needs to be less intense. There we go. So the lip feels so comfortable. I think I've had another mini before, but I didn't like the shade, so I think I decluttered it. But this is very comfortable, and actually I kind of like this shade, which is interesting because I think like if I were at the store myself, I would never ever pick this shade. So I'm happy that that was included in this little duo because I think it looks kind of nice. Like, it doesn't look bad on me, I don't think. If it does, I guess you can tell me in the comments, hurt my feelings. All right, guys, so there is the final look using all the goodies that my friend Anna sent me for Christmas. I love everything. It's so fun to try things that you've never tried before, or rediscover things that like I've tried but haven't had in a while, like this one. Love this mascara, it's so good. I remember having a sample at one point and buying a full size, but that was a while ago and I haven't revisited it in a long time. So this is awesome. Thank you, Anna. I think this might be one of my favorite things. Also the eyeshadow, absolutely gorgeous. Like this glitter, so pretty. This is such an easy like grab and go, don't have to think about it kind of eye look that still looks glam. So love that. The blush is so natural and glowy. I love that. Can't wait to use that for like a natural like makeup day. I feel like it's not going with the lip today. I'm gonna have to pick a different lip. But I'm happy to have this because I've been looking at this for a really long time and not picked it up. So thank you, Anna, for that. And the lipsticks, wow. We'll see how it wears, but like it's so comfortable and I'm actually really kind of liking this like orangey red color. Like I said, I never would have picked it for myself. And that was kind of the point of our little gift exchange, was to pick out things that we thought the other one might like that they've never tried before or maybe wouldn't buy themselves. And that's exactly what she did. So I'm loving it. Thank you, Anna, for everything. This was so much fun. I can't wait to do it again. Let's just do it annually, I think. And I hope you guys enjoyed, maybe had inspiration to do this with your friends. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.